Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a show curtain on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is an online shopping marketplace that delivers the product to their consumer uh, within from China and provide a 90 days return policy. So here I will just go and I will search for show curtain. Okay, shower curtain. So here we can see shower curtains. So this product will cost you around $20.42 on Amazon, but here you are just paying $9.48. Okay, so here we can see we can just use in our shower. It is not transparent. Okay, so it's like good material. You can see from this photo also. Here we can see it's very eco-friendly and safe for our children also. And here we can see it's come with a great review. And if you see the detail, like scrolling down, okay, so here we can see the detail. So it is made up of uh, polyethylene and it is water resistant and it have a great looks. Okay, and if you see here it will looking like a good. Okay, it's made of 8G heavy duty material and a soap serum and resistance and clear shower curtain liner. So this product to buy, you will just click on add to cart and then click on the buy button and follow the instructions to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a shower curtain on TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.